In this video, I'll show you how to turn off video on Google Meet. Turning off your video in Google Meet is very simple, and you can do it either before you join the meeting or while the meeting is already in progress. Google's support guidance shows that Meet lets you control your camera directly from the meeting screen, and if needed, you can also manage camera permissions in your browser or device settings. First, let's look at how to turn off video before joining. Open your Google Meet link or enter the meeting code, and when the preview screen appears, look for the camera icon. Tap or click that camera button to turn your video off before you enter. This is the easiest option when you want to join without showing your camera right away. Google's camera troubleshooting page also confirms that camera access and video behavior depend on your browser or device permissions. Now let's look at how to do it during the meeting. Once you are inside the Google Meet call, find the camera icon in the meeting controls and click or tap it. When the icon shows that the camera is off, your video is no longer being shared with the meeting. If you want to turn it back on later, just press the same button again. Google's Meet help for Android also shows the same kind of in-meeting mute and control layout for mobile participants. If your camera still appears on or the button does not work the way you expect, check your browser settings next. On a computer, Google says Chrome lets you review Meet camera access from the address bar or from the browser camera settings. If Meet has permission to use your camera, you can still manually keep the camera off from inside the meeting. And if camera access is blocked completely, Meet may show an error instead of video. There is also one important thing to know if you are the meeting host. Google says hosts and co-hosts can use video lock to stop participants from turning on their cameras. That setting is different from simply turning off your own video. Turning off your own camera only affects you, while video lock controls whether other participants are allowed to use their cameras at all. So the steps are simple. Open Google Meet, tap or click the camera icon before joining if you want to enter with video off, or press the same camera button during the meeting to turn your video off at any time. That's how to turn off video on Google Meet. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.